Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the screen brightness problem on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on display and brightness. Now first of all, just disable auto brightness. Now as you can see, auto brightness is currently turned off, but if I turn it on, it will automatically reduce the brightness of the screen. So that is why just disable this option. Now after that, if you're using dark mode, you will find the option of dark mode settings. Just tap on dark mode settings, and from here just disable adjust wallpapers to dark mode and adjust icons to dark mode. Now if these options are enabled on your smartphone, the background and the icons of your smartphone will automatically become dim as you enable dark mode. So that is why just disable both of these options and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, then swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find the option of power saving mode. And if power saving mode is enabled on your smartphone, just disable it. Now, if you cannot find the power saving mode in the control center, then tap on the three dots in the control center and tap on edit tiles. Under more tiles, just look for the option power saving mode. And once you find power saving mode, just tap on it to add it to the control center. Then tap on the back button to save. And once you find the power saving mode, just disable it from here. When power saving mode is enabled on your smartphone, it will decrease the brightness of the screen. So that is why just disable this option. And if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the screen. If you have dropped your phone recently, then you might have damaged the display of your smartphone, which is causing the display brightness problem. Also, if you have replaced the display of your smartphone with an aftermarket local display, you will have the display brightness problem since the display is not original. And if you have any of these hardware problems, just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix screen brightness problem on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.